Thank you, Manny, and wow, so nice to be in such a room after the summer break. And more importantly, the kids have gone back to school, so I'm even more thrilled that you guys are as well. So excited to be back in the room. Thank you, Manny and Romy, and the team at Titans. I'm looking forward to working with you, listening to more interesting talks from like Simi and from Mike. My name is Akal Mair. My team and I are experienced real estate finance brokers. We'll be on hand daily, weekly, and in the room monthly to support, guide, and basically find you a suitable finance solutions. Unfortunately, not at 1%, but a tad higher than that. God, I do miss those days, don't you all? So who are our mortgage broker? Why do thousands of clients trust us? We've been recognised, we've been fortunate, we've been recognised for being the best buy-to-let broker of the year by Business Money Facts in 2023. We're directly authorised. These are very, very important points. As an independent whole of market brokerage, we can find any solution no matter what your circumstances are. Again, you might not like the rate, but we will do our best to support you where we can. Our expertise lies in residential, commercial, and any type of property and insurance advice. We're on hand 7 days a week. There is no obligation. You can compare us to your existing brokers, but give us a chance. That's what we're here to do. We have offices in all the home counties, and we, earlier this year, opened an office in Mayfair in Berkeley Square. Our team consists of 10 experienced advisors, but more importantly, like you guys, are all developers and property landlords. Kirti, Sonia, and Mahesh are in the office. They usually are in the office. They're in the room today, so if you've got any questions, feel free to flag these guys down. If you want to buy me a drink, I'll be on the bar on that side over there. The market, where are we heading? I love Mike's presentation. I love Simi's case studies there. So where are we heading? Manny, can I swear? Oh, fuck knows. I don't know where the market's going. All right? The truth is, I don't know. And if anybody thinks that they know, well, you know, all the best and play the lucky lotto on Friday. Mike said tough times on one of his slides. I think he was polite. I would like to phrase it as a shit show at the moment. The honest answer is no one actually knows. Even the economists at central banks have got it wrong. During COVID, they thought we were going to have a correction, house prices were going to crash. Look what happened, 20, 30, 40% gains across the country. Don't read the tabloids. We've heard that on today. We've heard that quite a bit. Don't read the tabloids. Read real market data like Mike shared and some of the YouTubers in the room. See what they've got to share in the room and take that advice rather than listening to tabloids. Interest rates, prepare for the worst. Do the numbers based on that. Stress every deal, and more importantly, stress your power team around you before you take on any acquisition, whether it's a refinance or a new acquisition for development. Where do I think interest rates are going to go? I think the terminal rate will be around 6%, to be honest with you. I think by the time we're eating our Christmas pudding later this year, as if you're a Christmas pudding type of guy or lady, I think we'll be at 6%. So figure that out and work way down. I think interest rates will drop, but not as quick as they were increased. So this time next year, in 12 months, I think we will be circa 4.5% base rate. It's great to hear, I think, that the inflation has dropped. We're at 6.8% now. Next Thursday is another rate decision, perhaps another 0.25% rate increase. The ECB did the same today, so I think the UK will follow suit. Our promise to each and every one of you is give us the opportunity, and we'll do our very best to find you a suitable and reliable strategy. A bit of a shout out to the team at Titans. They've got a great WhatsApp group. It's for VIPs only. So I'd encourage everyone, Manny, Romy, and the team that support Manny and Titans put on a really, really good show. The WhatsApp group is insightful. There's lots of joke and humour on that group as well, and that's the way it should be. So I'd encourage every one of you to understand more about the VIP treatment that Titans put on, and I can definitely guarantee those parties at Manny's house are pretty good. You might need to get a taxi home. I've done that on a number of occasions. So in that WhatsApp group on a weekly basis, we're going to be sharing the market insight on trends, interest rates, answering your questions. So no question is a silly question. So use and abuse us. We've got a team of 10. Use and abuse us. Yeah, so that's what we're here to do. Lastly, if you don't risk anything, you risk everything. So I'm going to leave it there. Hope you all have a prosperous year ahead. No matter what the circumstances are, it's good that everyone's smiling. We've got a jam-packed room, and I wish you all the best no matter what your endeavours look like. So enjoy your night and let's make some money.